Well, right now the set is nearly built and they're just delivering the last pieces. So they've started in the rehearsal rooms with rehearsals for Anna Bolena and Maria Stuarda. And we're busy starting costume fittings in the costume department, mainly for the chorus. I think the space is used very, very well and it will feel cohesive. All three operas feel cohesive, and the challenge has been for that to happen. For me, it was mixing this idea of women as very, very strong, beautiful objects, and also as kind of victims and sort of pawns in a game. And so the space, I think, is both intensely masculine and at times sort of very fragile, and like quite that. So we've kind of gone for a modern approach with sort of Tudor detailing, and kind of create our own world, really.